and in the box we have the user manual and warranty cards and the webcam itself. It is made of plastic and capable of 1080p at 30 frames per second, comes with dual microphones and a rubber privacy cover which is inbuilt into the camera itself and this can't be removed. It has a wide angled fixed focus 77-degree lens and the live cam text lights up on the front when you open up your software to use the camera. The USB 2.0 cable is built into the back of the unit, so this can't be removed either, and this is 1.5 meters in length. The base can be folded out and this has two rubber pads which should provide some grip to the screen and to prevent it moving around too much. The one rubber pad can be removed if required, but I can't imagine you would want to do this. There's a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom to mount your own tripod if that's the way you prefer your setup. Beginning our test in a completely dark room, and it's not the worst we've seen by a long shot. You can see us, but there is quite a lot of grain to the image. It looks as though we're getting close, if not the full 30 frames per second as advertised, so the movement looks pretty good. So you will be able to use this in a dark room, but it's not going to be the best image quality. Bringing in natural light and we lose the grain that was on the image previous. The movement still looks good and we're not talking about the dancing. There's a little bit of pixelation on the Harry Potter Lego set on top of the wardrobe which I promise is not mine, and when we cover up the lens and move our hand away it adjusts itself very quickly. Using a ring light and this brings further improvements to the final image. There's still a little flickering on the Lego set on the wardrobe, but this shouldn't really be too much of an issue as people will be focusing on you rather than what you've got in the background, unless people fancy being nosy and seeing what's in your house. Movement is still good at 30 frames per second, but let's have a listen to that microphone and see how it performs. This is a microphone test using the Creative Livecam 1080p webcam. This is the kind of audio you can expect from the dual microphones. Doing a focus test on a Lego character, and this is using the ring light to begin with, and we are in focus until around 8 inches or so away, then we do lose that focus. The colour of the red cloth looks quite vibrant, but when we turn off the ring light, then we lose a lot of the colour. So if you're looking at using this on your own green screen, then you will need to make sure that your lighting is on point. And speaking of green screens, when we load up OBS and put the chroma key filter on the camera, we did struggle to get ourselves a good key. We had a little play around with the sliders, but we couldn't get the green completely removed, so you may need to use additional filters to boost the green to help with removing that green screen. Comparing it against the Valuetom and the Lincplus C2 webcams using a ring light on each shows that the Creative Livecam is certainly capable, but you are going to want to use a ring light to get the best experience.